Alright, we got the big green machine here. We're gonna see what we can't do about this here. I got this line in this tree, and it goes up and around. Oh yes sir, looks nice. So we're gonna see what we can't do here. Alright, let's go. One-handed steering. Still getting used to this here. And around we go. Yes, sir. Alright, not bad. Not bad. I found this tree, guys, and like it's like literally like a little crawl park for me right now. And with these generic shy racks, I'm not liking them on rock. I have to say, they're too blocky, they slip. But I tell you what, in the dirt on these trees, some logs and bark, oh, they grip. Other than that, I got not too much to say about them quite yet. Check out this tunnel we got here in this tree. And guys, this tree is pretty wicked. Like, I got some lines on here I'm gonna be playing with in some videos that look pretty decent. It's got some good lines going on here. A couple challenges. There's some good ones. Like there's a good line there. Well, we're gonna come down today since we just found the spot. I still need to take my foams out of the rears. Fronts are no foam, rear is foam. I'm running the Injora brass steering knuckles, 4mm extended axles, Injora double barrels. I'm running the RC all-wheel drive steel stamp rims on the generic shy rack. We are running stock motor and Joro servo with servo horn, which I am enjoying. And we are running the custom deadbolt today. I am working on a cliffhanger, but I am waiting for a chassis. Got to get that order in before they disappear, you know. Go hit that Maz Designs. Find them on Instagram. Check out that Maz chassis. Let's go around, pick a different line. We come up sideways on this. Must have a, you know what I'm stuck on? I was actually stuck on my body. I was thinking about trimming that right down before the door. That's what we got. We got twiggage, guys. Dealing with them pine trees. Yeah, I'm not picking the right line. Like I said, first day at this spot. See what we got here. See, I need to do the truck. And my one-handed steer and my angles are just trash right now. Complete trash. All right, so, woo!